Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing part 2 of December 2023, last of the month Patreon for Warhammer, D&D, figures, and so forth. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down link below as well. I don't think we have anything for cyanide right now for December. They usually show up towards the end of the month, but we got some previews of it that we'll be getting. I don't know what the hell these are supposed to be, but yeah. Uh, my monster mayhem. We have the Ocean Guard content, Deaths of the Abyss. So we're digging in for ocean for it. These look like angry armored whales guarded by armored sharks. God damn. And we got some of deaths. We have the Kraken with 3 cannons and a ship on top. These are going to be some nasty ass shit if you guys do underwater battle for it. This is something that you can like, I'm going to kill you, everyone. Here's your death serpents right there. This is kind of cool. I will paint. I do like those little dolphins. They're in the bottom of the base as well. The one that corals around. I have too many sea stuff for it, but oh, death look at loyalty. So you'll have this for your loyalty. So I'm gonna be getting this for my loyalty. This looks pretty cool as well. It's like a terrain piece and stuff, the skull tower. But yeah, we'll see more of this later because not all of it is out. That won't be out to the 8th, I would say. I think this video is coming out on the 8th, uh, but you know, I'm doing this on Monday. Printed obsessions. We have Christmas kind of theme, I'll say, but mostly grotesque like always for it. So we have the Avatar of Change. That would be something kind of freaking big ass hands coming around with eyes looking at it like, okay, I'm gonna go the other way. Cleric Owlman. We have the Cultist of Change. But mostly for Zinch, I would say. Gross Lang. I have no idea what the hell is that. Half elephant mixed with a warthog. It has a body of a snake. Mortar. This is like these Eldritch creature too. Mountain Devil. Night Crawlers. Ozar Khan Howler. Rat King. The Change Lady. Wasp Head Queen. But yeah, that's obsession. Oh, why we got this? RN Studio. Oh, we got RN Studio. I think I did this twice. Oh well. Let's check the next one. We have the classic jrpg volume 24. We got Monster Hunt, Monster Quest. I have no idea what this one's from or that one's from, but I know these 3 are from that. Next is anime series, Goku, Android 16, I believe. Forgot the guy from One Piece, and Happy. No, it's not Happy. I forgot his name. I don't really watch One Piece. Western RPG. We got Gandalf. I think that's supposed to be one of the. I know that's Gollum. I forgot. I have not watched the animated Lord of the Rings for a very long time. I don't know if that's Frodo or Baggins for it, but if you don't know, we had our own animated version of Lord of the Rings, I think back in the early 80s for it. So that will be it for those 3. And you can get these as well. Get a better look at this from here. Some of these are very old ones. I bet I have all of it for it. Twin Goddess for December. We have Asterion and Gale. If you're interested in getting your actual Gale and Asterion figure for your D&D game, and this is where you go. Twin Goddess miniatures for it as well. And an orc maid. I think this is. I don't know which one this one is. Oh, okay. I thought it was a tail at first. So I'm guessing this is a. Uh, I don't know what that big ears is. Looks like a fighter, female fighter. You have a cat mage. And Lord of Prince. We are getting a different version of Tiamat from Lord of Prince. We got some Nazgul riding the Wyvern. We got some four-legged dragon hounds that I actually do need for a lot of campaigns because a lot of the Underdark creature like the drows ride these things as well. And we got some looks to be some type of troll or giant, but we'll look at more closely soon. Yeah, these are pretty good looking, and this is your actual like pieces that you can give to your players and stuff. Chromatic. I think these are also be mixing with the cult of the dragons. I believe that you can actually uh, work with the chromatic cataclysm. Yeah, that'll be probably good. If you are using the Tyranny of Dragon campaign, this is probably the best one you can get for your prints for your game because this pretty much will have everything that you pretty much majority of the stuff that you pretty much need that you have a hard time getting. So these are your actual dragon priestess that you are going to have to fight in the game. Try to bring back Tiamat as well. But I would say these are a very good prints. They're all like $10. They're very good as well. The meetings. I thought they were like Nazguls for a moment. I'm like, they kind of look like more like how they made it looks more like a Nazgul for this. We're not gonna look at all of it. All right, next one. This year we'll do Realms of Path. This is their version of Blood Bowl. So a Blood Bowl of Undead looks like it. I don't know anyone that I know that actually played Blood Bowl. People just buy this just to paint it. Tell you the truth, but you have the undead for your Blood Bowl. That might be kind of fun for you guys. The next is Nelson figures. I think they're doing Psylocke next, but I don't think they have any in since November, so they might be dead. I don't really like the heads of their things. Okay, Ganondorf. 2 days. So do you have anything else for next month? As terms of November. Okay, we'll come back to that. Probably part 3 for next week. If more stuff comes out. Terrence Troll Miniatures. December. We have the Grinch. And don't know what these are, but we have City Folks and we have those magic brooms from Fantasia from the one of the Disney movies. Well, anyhow, this will be it for today. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our channel down below. I mean, not our channel, our Patreon Discord down below. If there's any Patreon we haven't checked, you want me to go look up, please leave it on the comments. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care, guys. Bye.